Could do anything we want in life. We could be king or queen kahit hindi tayong the best. Story time. So, feeling influencer tayo and maraming nagkukwento ng mga tattoo nila for the year or kung ano man. So, sa akin ay ito. Medyo hindi nyo malakita. This is a lion. And ang ganda lang ng illustration ng lion. Let me share to you the importance of lion and how can we learn from this king of the jungle. Na-topic ko rin to sa isang speaking engagement ko sa isang direct selling company. Sabi ko, ang ganda lang na idea ng lion. Kasi he is the king of the jungle. Alam natin 'yan. Pero it is a reminder for us na we could do anything we want in life. We could be king or queen kahit hindi tayong the best. If you were to ask, ano ang pinakamabilis na hayop? Ang sagot, hindi naman lion, kundi cheetah. Ano ang largest animal? Hindi naman lion, kundi elephant. Ano ang smartest or wisest animal? It's the monkey, not the lion. What animal is the strongest? It is the gorilla or the hippo or the rhino, not the lion. So sa lahat ng category, sa mga attributes na yun, hindi nakuha ng lion ang pagiging the best. But still, he is or it is the king of the jungle. One of the reasons why is his attitude. Hindi nakikinig ang lion sa mga opinion ng mga aso. Ano ba, sabihin ng aso, hindi ko naman magaling, liit-liit po eh. Sabihin ng lion, nagsasalita yung dog. Hindi, wala siyang pakialam. It's his attitude, his stature. Alam niya kung sino yung identity niya. So for this year, if you know who you are, who made you, who created you wonderfully and fearfully made ka, well, you could be the king or queen ng gusto mong i-pursue na buhay. Thursday.
Thursday, buddy.